You know what happened once in a big green forest? There lived a peacock named Pihu. Oh, Pihu was so beautiful. His feathers were blue, green, and shiny like little jewels. Every morning, he would spread them wide and dance, showing off to everyone. One day, while Pihu was dancing near the river, he heard something. What's that sound? He thought. It was the nightingale, sitting high on a branch, singing the sweetest song. All the animals stopped what they were doing and went to listen. Pihu frowned. Hey, why is everyone looking at her? Don't they see my beautiful feathers? He walked up to the nightingale and said, "Your feathers are so plain and brown. How can you get all the attention?" The nightingale smiled. "My friend, beauty is not only in how you look, it's also in what you can give from the heart. My song makes others happy." Pihu laughed. What's the use of a song? Look at my feathers. They are the real beauty." But just then, boom! Dark clouds came down and heavy rain poured down. Pihu's feathers became wet and heavy. He couldn't dance anymore. But the nightingale? She started singing a bright, happy tune. All of the animals forgot about the rain and began smiling again. Pihu's eyes widened. "Oh, I understand now," he said. "Your song is as special as my feathers. We each have something unique." From that day, Pihu danced, the nightingale sang, and the forest became full of joy. Moral: we all have different gifts. Don't compare. Celebrate each other's talents. Subscribe to TinyTunesTV for fun stories, songs, and learning every day.